What's good, YouTube? Your boy Michael D Images here with another video, and I am excited to tell you about my experience with the B7C from Aputure, the light bulb that doesn't need a lamp. I love this thing. I actually got a chance to use it on a couple sets, working on some movies, and then I got to use it some music videos. I've done it with a couple of photo shoots, and I just feel like it's a great addition to your filmmaker's kit, especially if you're a beginner filmmaker and you're looking for, I guess, budget ways to kind of do some pretty cool things on sets. I think these are a great addition. I'll put a link in the description so you guys could check those out. But I did want to speak on too, I love the fact that you can use it with the Sidus Link app. You can change the colors right from the app, make any kind of adjustments you need. So I actually have them linked with all my other lights, so whenever I'm on set I bring out my iPad and I can just control everything right there from one thing, whatever lights I'm using. You got the effects on here, and it's got a good bit of effects. You got the party lights, you got paparazzi, cop car, fire, pulsing, TV, lightning, faulty bulb, fireworks. But this thing is I think my favorite effect is the let's go to the fire. That's my favorite one. I love the fire effect, and I've actually used this in a fireplace before. We've used it behind some candles to make it look like the candles are glowing. I like it. It's pretty cool. And that's the one good thing I love about the Aputure ecosystem, the fact that you can control them right from your phone, from your app. The Sidus Link app is pretty good. I haven't had any issues with it. It's pretty user-friendly, syncing your lights up and connecting them is pretty good. But overall, I think it's a great light. The buttons are right there on there. It's easy to turn it on and turn it off. There we go. Boom. But overall, these are good. So I did want to show you guys some of the ways I've used them on some of my sets and photo shoots, and check it out. Let's go.